beauties, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to this space and new to my channel, welcome. My name is Monet, better known as MsCreativeDiva. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back. I'm partnering up with Ali Beauty Forever Hair, so I will put all the information down below for you guys. You already know, she got you. Today we are working with this unit, you guys. So I don't know if you noticed, if you watch my vlogs, definitely catch up if you have not. But this week, actually today, I'm actually going to do wedding dress try-ons. So I was like, you know what if I just go ahead and do a wedding styling video as far as like my hair. I think what I'm going for is more so leaving my hair down because I'm just that girl. Like y'all know from watching my videos. If you're new here, you will know I am just that girl who loves a good long length type unit. I feel like parts just look crisp, especially for wedding photos. It just looks like you did something. I feel like no part is given very much so natural but effortless, if that makes any sense. So I went ahead and put my wig on. I did put a band on my wig, which is why it's pretty much laying. Your girl could actually wear this without any adhesive if she wanted to. Just pulling out some baby hairs, honestly. Love the way that I applied my my band. Start by my application. You guys know that I love this hairspray, so I'm just gonna put it on my edges. It's really self-explanatory, you guys. You can always look at my previous hair videos, hair reviews and things like that, styling tutorials. I use the same product, you guys, so pretty consistent with what I like. So definitely check it out. I'll leave it down below for you guys. I'm just using my rat tail to hold it down. I try to not use my fingertips because when using your fingers with any lace adhesive or any type of product which you are adhering your wig, I find that I get that white sort of residue, and I really hate that, especially like on the skin, on my lace. Like, baby, it can really turn a wig off. So just to avoid that, I like to use a comb or even like my edge, y'all know, like the little edge and wig brush. I like to use that as well. So what I like to do before I apply my band, I like to add my baby hairs just so that way it gives it time to lay down. And I love to use my foam mousse because it just helps making sure that the edges and my baby hairs is not crispy but soft. So I am just adding a little bit of spray at the top, you guys. Honestly, I did not have to add anything at the top because the wig really lays without even adding adhesive because of the way that I position my band underneath. I definitely think that that plays a major role with making sure you're able to wear your wigs without using adhesive and just like every day, like if you just want to throw it on and throw it off, which baby, I love to be able to change my wigs. And so I'm just taking my wax stick and I am going to apply that on the hair and then use my hot comb to make sure everything is pressed out. I fast forwarded it through everything. I did add a little bit of a wax stick at the top. You guys know. Ooh. Guys, so because I'm pressed for time, what I'm going to do is just take my wand curler and just get into curling the hair. That way I can go ahead and get it styled and everything like that. What I'm going to do is just take half of my hair. And like I said, this is 24 inches. I want to say that the density is 200% if I'm not mistaken. But I'll put it down below for you guys. For those of you who are interested. I'm just going to clamp this out the way. We're going to take my heating protection spray. I feel like I just want like beachy effortless looking wave. Effortless looking wave. I use the same spray that I use to do my to lay my wig for my hair as well, because it gives me great hold. So while I'm curling my hair, I'm just going to talk about the unit, you guys, that I received from Beauty Forever. So this unit was 24 inches and the density was a 180% density. The lace itself was really, really good. I love the fact that it's really an effortless wig. I love lace that I don't have to do too much to. Now, I still did my regular regimen as far as bleaching my knots. I kept the bleach on for about, I want to say maybe 30 minutes. Did not over bleach any knots while doing that. You just want to make sure that you're using the right bleach as well. And if you guys are interested, I can definitely put that down below for you guys. Then I also use my tint. You guys know I use 2 different types of tint for my complexion. And you will always use your foundation, you guys. Don't ever watch these videos and be thinking, oh, you got to get everything. You can literally take your foundation on some powder that is your complexion and do that thing. And it still will get a really, really great result. Just apply it evenly. And so like I said, 24-inch unit, you guys. Love the hair. I love the fact that it's super, super soft. Ultimately, for me, this is one of those units that you don't have to do too much to. I'm trying to think if I actually showed the unit prior to me plucking it. I want to say I did. I just cannot remember what I did with the footage. But ultimately, it was lightly plucked, so I did not have to do too much. My plucking took me maybe about 45 minutes. Y'all know that I'm very anal with plucking, so that's the reason. Just wanted to make sure that it was giving much scalp. Like, I needed to give very much scalp. So yeah, overall, love it. I love how the sheen in the hair is. I didn't add any oil or anything like that. You guys can see, like, it looks really, really good as far as the luster is concerned. So yeah, I'm not going to talk too much, you guys. I'm not going to hold you. I'm just going to let y'all continue to watch. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and got my stuff on. So I'm going to go ahead and take my band off so we can go ahead and get... oh, I'm so glad I didn't do much of a band. Left the band. Take this off, and so we can do our baby hairs. I'm going to... I just wanted to see, because ultimately on the day of, I'm going to do... I'm going to do my wig prior and just have pin curls. I actually like the way it falls. So I'm going to pin curl my hair. I'm just going to do a little bit. So y'all, this is the finished look. Your girl is just combing the hair out. I wanted like voluminous curls, nothing that was tight. And you guys, I really liked it. I love the way the hair curls. I love the fact that the curls stay. Y'all, I still am yet to have redid the curls, and baby, we are almost a week in and the curls are still sitting. So I really love that. Let me know what you guys think of the hair. Is it something that you would try? Do you like the style itself? And thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. Be sure, if you have not, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I'll check y'all later.